Welcome to this video in which we will be making this part. Let's start. Select part and click OK. Select line and make a horizontal line and a vertical line like this. Then go to smart dimension. Make this dimension as 100 millimeter and then make this dimension as 100 millimeter also. Then select the fillet. Select these two lines and then adjust this fillet as 70. Perfect. Okay. Exit the sketch and select plane. Select this line and select this point. Okay. Now create a circle at the plane like this and make dimension as 30 millimeter. Now go to the features and select sweptBoss command. Here we have sweptBoss. At first select this circle and then select the line, this line. Now select the thin features, select this option and make the thickness as 3 millimeter. Okay. Now hide this plane. Select this surface and sketch. Make a rectangle like this. Dimension as 40 millimeter each side. Now select extruded boss command. 3 millimeter thickness is enough. And select this contour. Select this outer surface. Click OK. Now it's time to fillet the corners. Select fillet command. 2 millimeter is enough. And in this blue areas, click here and then select this corner and click this option. It will automatically select all the edges. These all the edges are selected. Click OK. Let me show you. You can see fillet is applied on all the edges. You can change the appearance of the part. I am applying this color. Now we will sketch the other side of the pipe elbow just like we have done on the other side. Make a rectangle 40 millimeter each side. Then select extruded boss 3 mm thickness and select this outer contour. Click OK. Then make fillet just like we have done earlier. Select this and select this option. Click OK. Okay. Now we will fillet this inner surface. Okay. And then similarly fillet the other side of the elbow as well. The inner surface only. Click OK. Now it's time to create holes for the flange. Make a rectangle like this and select this option. Okay. 30 mm each side. Make a circle like this. Click on smart dimension and make dimension as 6 mm. We will extrude cut this. Go to the features. Extrude cut 1.5 mm is enough. Click OK. Now we will create another circle in this circle. Sketch make a circle, and this time we will make a circle of 4 millimeter. Go to smart dimension, select this circle and make dimension as 4, and now select extrude cut 3 mm. Okay, we have created one hole and we need 4 hole. We will use circular pattern command. Click here on feature and faces, and then we need to select this hole. Expand this bar and select these two options. And direction, for direction we will choose this. Here select 90 degree, and here we have 4 holes. Click OK. Now we will make similar holes on the other side, just we have created on this face. Sketch, make a rectangle like this, 30 mm, 30 mm. Do the same thing just we have done previously. And now use circular pattern command to make 4 holes. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.